Hello everyone, my name is Karen. My TING number matrix 03 DEP5A 1034. Today I will present about hydroponic light using IoT. My project manager is Puan Rohuda binti Muhammad Noor and my project supervisor is Puan Sharita binti Abdul Ghani. This is the context of my project that I will introduce today. Introduction. Plants care can rotate an important activities to keep plants healthy and well-grown. Includes many aspects: watering, rejuvenation, fertilizer, and others. An automatic system that can automatically do hydrate photosynthesis is necessary. Using Node MCU ESP8266, DC power supply, DC LED light lamp, jumper wire, water pipe, soil moisture sensor, water pump, motor, 2-channel relay module, and others. Node MCU ESP8266 can be controlled from Android smartphone to trigger water pump. Automatic watering when soil dry by using soil moisture sensor. Problem statement. Hydroponic system, whether homemade or store-bought, suffer from a few common problems. These problems include algae growth, leak, and cannot get the rush plants. For example, pests and bacteria can significantly affect the health of plants. Require daily monitors to ensure proper growing condition. Problems of enough land and the alternative cost fit is quite high. Objective of the studies. The following objectives were identified and introduced to address the problems that have been stated from the previous section. To develop a smart system that can operate indoors, hydroponic for home use. To water the plants when the soil is dry less than 30%. The system hydroponic will start up. Plants can get photosynthesis through LED lights to allow the plants through on daily days. Scope of the studies. Node MCU ESP8266 will control the flows of water on the roster automatically. 2-channel relay will active and trigger motor water pump to drain the water on the hydroponic plants. The soil moisture sensor to detect the soil moisture hydroponic flow system start from the detection of a soil moisture sensor. The soil detection result will be connected with a 2-channel relay connect to the microcontroller port. When the relay port is lower than the specified higher, the water flow will run to the tank water pump to irrigate the hydroponic plants. The component that I used in my project: jumper wire, LED emitting diode LED, heat sink voltage regulator 7805, LM7805 voltage regulator, resistor 10K, breadboard. Node MCU ESP8266 Wi-Fi, DC power supply, 2-channel relay module, water pump motor, soil moisture sensor, LED light lamp, and pipe. This is my block diagram. My input is soil moisture sensor and my output are motor, water pump, and lamp. First, I download the Blinks app in my smartphone. Then I connect with Wi-Fi so that I want to connect with the Node MCU ESP8266. First, I send the token of the smartphone to my email so that I can get the token code for my Node MCU ESP8266 to connect with my phones. This is my flowchart. This is my programming. Then the chart auto is the token of my smartphone. This is my schematic circuit for my project. This is my milestone for project 2. This is my estimated expenditure for my project. In conclusion, LED grow light are more efficient than traditional lighting system, consuming 60% less energy to give the same level of light. Hydroponic plants require 5 things: nutrition, food, water, light, air, and support. Provide everything in this LED hydroponic light system. Automatic hydroponic grows well with proper water and nutrition access because it is controlled by no MCU. The main benefits of the hydroponics can simpler yet effective utilization of resource, having appropriate pest and disease control. Hydroponic can be utilized to culture plants for adequate greenhouse and even in indoor place. Thank you. This is my project hydroponic light using IoT. I use the Blinks apps to display the value of soil moisture sensor in my phone. I use relay 2 channel to trigger the motor pump and lamp. The motor pump will pump the water when the soil is dry because I have used the soil moisture sensor to check the value of the soil. My project used no MCU ESP8266 because no MCUs can save coding program easily and connect the input signal to send the signal to the output. Then I have used generator 7805 to generate the 5V to no MCU for input and output. I use LED light lamp to process photosynthesis for my plants. Now I will present my project testing. I put the soil moisture sensor in the soil. If the soil is dry, the water pump will just pump the water out.